as you can see, it says hi here. I just made it, so sorry it's so messy. So today we are gonna be learning about how to make a rose. So that's what it looks like from the top, that's what it looks like from the side. It's not a real fancy rose, but it'll do. So, first of all, we're gonna need 4 of these little wedges. They can be red, they can be orange, they can be white, they can be pink, they can be purple, any. So we get our 4 little ones here. I'm gonna put them right there so they're safekeeping. And whatever color you're using, great. No. Whatever color you're using, you need to do the same color, but like a little round one of these. So it looks like that from the side. I'm gonna put that with our little red things. And then you need just one little simple green one-piece circle, and it's not one of those flat ones with no bump on it. It's like it's like that, but only one piece. So we're gonna put that with the green stuff. Now, we need 2 of these. So it looks like that, looks like that. Trying to show as best you can if you want to make this. So we got 2. Now, this is the easy part. We're gonna get the 2 green things. Put them together. Why did I just do that? So we're gonna put them together like that. Simple as. Gonna put it aside. No, we gotta put. Why do I keep dropping things? Today is my worst day ever. Sorry. We gotta get this little green piece. Put it on top. Now this is the part where it gets tricky. When I first made this, it was really tricky. And guess what, guys? I didn't even look on YouTube. I just made it for a random reason. We gotta sew that. Ouch. It's like a little wedge taken out of my finger. Anyway, so we're gonna put this one kind of side on, like that. And then we're gonna put this one out like that. So it's like that. And then we're gonna put this one right. Is that correct? Or should I? I'm gonna place this one here just to see. Yeah, so gonna place the 3rd one right here, just normal way, facing out, and then this one, keep them face towards it from the side. So there we go, there's the top of your rose. And then, as you can see, you join them together, and there is your very own rose. And we're done. Thank you.